Hey everyone, today I will walk you through step by step on how to install figma-console-mcp server. So there are different ways to use this MCP server. There's the remote SSE, the NKX and the local kit. I will walk you through how to install it locally. So for local mode, you have to have some prerequisites like you have to install Node.js 18 plus Figma desktop and Git installed in your terminal. So for the step one, we have to install the MCP server. For that, we need to clone this repository in any particular folder. So for this, I will just clone it to my desktop. So I will just add this terminal. So what will it do? It will clone all the files from this particular repo and install it onto your desktop. Now let's change to the folder figma-console-mcp and install all the dependencies like in step 1 and to install. So what will it do? It will go through the dependencies that this particular project needs and it will install all those dependencies. And after that, we have to run once the local build, and then we can start working on connecting to the Figma. So local build is finished. Then we can go to the step 2. So in step 2, we need to have a personal access token on Figma so that we can access the Figma desktop, the projects and everything. For that, we need to go to Figma, go into your settings and security. You will see there is this button CTA generate new token. So you can type in any token name like Figma MCP and set the date to 90 days as much time you want for the expiration date, and remember this particular date to renew to get another token name and replace it with new one. And the scopes, you can check off all the things that you need the MCP server want to access, like I will check off default everything and just let it access everything so that we have full access control to the cloud. Now you can click on generate token and it will create a token which we need to copy and use it later on. So once the token is copied, now we have to configure the cloud desktop. For this, you need to go to cloud desktop and get into settings. Okay, in settings you will see developer options and you have to access the config file that is mentioned. We need to edit config. So here we get the cloud desktop config JSON file which contains nothing, no MCP server now. What we do, we need to open. Yeah. So we have the access to that particular file. Yeah. We'll copy this and paste it here and save it. So once you have pasted this code, it will ask for Figma access token. You have to copy that token here, and also you have to modify this particular path that is MCP that we have installed right now. So we will just remove this. Just that's done, and we will save this. So now this particular MCP server is targeted to that particular file local.js in the desktop that we have installed, and it has the Figma ID from your token. Now once you have done those changes, save the file and relaunch the cloud app. Yeah. Now let's go to settings and the developer, and you can see the Figma console local is running now successfully on Claude. Open Figma in remote plugin port. So this is very important. We need to close the Figma completely and copy this particular code and go to terminal. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. So what this command will that we will open Figma in debugging mode. So for checking we need to also do one step, that is to open the plugin. So we have to go to plugin and if we go to the development option, import plugin from manifest. So what you have to do is you have to go to the folder where we have installed particular figma-console-mcp, and if you go there you see this Figma desktop bridge plugin. So here we have to just import this particular manifest.json file. So you see the plugin is loaded into your Figma desktop. Now you can just click on this particular plugin and you will see the MCP is ready to run. And also there is one more step that you have to check out, is that you should see that use developer VM is enabled, or you can just click it here in the plugins in the development. This particular use developer VM is checked. So now everything is set up. Our Figma MCP is running, the plugin is running, the bridge that is connecting Figma and the Claude, and also the local MCP is also working. So now let's test out with a command. Variables inside it. So we have given a prompt. So prompt should be very detailed for it to understand. For now I'm just testing out the MCP server. So yeah, it can see and it is connected to Figma MCP. So now it will create two tiers, that is primitives and the semantic tokens inside the Figma. Let's see. So it has requesting the Figma MCP to create all these colors. So it will take some time to create all those. There are a lot of colors in Tailwind CSS. So already created. Let's check out. Yes, the Tailwind primitives is created successfully. All the colors from Tailwind is created here, and now it's working on semantic, and it is also properly linking that semantic to this particular primitive. Yeah, it has successfully created all the semantic and primitives variables inside Figma as requested. Now you can fully use Claude to create components inside Figma or variables or different iterations of a particular design, whatever you can using the Claude now. If you found this video useful, please give a like, and if you have any doubts or queries, leave in the comment.